So, time to get the fire ready. Okay, get the ground ready. So that's what I say. I'll just show you. I tend to, I don't know if you can see that, but tend to make a hollow in the middle down there, because then I can put a baseline, and with the baseline I can then make a fire without scorching too much earth, and I can bury it later, right? So that's the plan in it anyway. So the idea is it don't travel and scorch the earth, and if you make a little hole, a baseline hole, I don't know if you can see that. Now if I stand up, maybe you will. And make a baseline hole. I think that's difficult to see on the camera. Maybe not. Okay, baseline hole there. Literally rocking it back. And flattening it down a bit. And then I can put all the stuff on top. I brought some bits and bobs from home, but because I know that it's going to be a bit wet, but obviously I'll use some that are in the woods as well. So definitely will get a fire on. There's the hole. I'm just going to get some wood from round the woods, and I'm just going to build like a, it's be like a well, it'll be like a well fire, but like a backdrop. So the backdrop will be just like to keep it contained in that area, over the well, over the hole. Fire 101, he says. Right, well it will be, it'll be alright. So we'll start with that, and then we'll build from around that. I'll put it long ways. So I'll add that there. And then I'll build some at the side. So the pit, so what I'm building is a pit, if that makes sense. It's a bit long. See, you can see there's that much stuff because all the trees have come down, all the wood, which is all good news regarding firewood. And we're not, I don't think it'll be that wet actually as much as I thought, to be fair. I don't want a massive fire, obviously. I don't need a massive fire. But it's there, you see. So, and then we'll go cross members here, look. Yeah, you get the idea what's happening. And then we'll get one over here. There's that much wood around. I mean, we're not going to be short of wood, guys. Definitely not. I'm spoiled for choice, really, to be fair. I know I was saying it's wet, but to be honest, it ain't that wet. I think, to be honest, if I want to go all day on a fire, it's plausible, but it's just to keep me warm, really. To be fair, it's quite a mild night. Still got to find that other bit of wood that I was talking about somewhere. It's got to be an ideal size. So we've got some lengths that are just too long for the side of it. You can no, I mean, there's wood everywhere. Excellent, that will do. And you can hear the wind, but like I say, because I've got the shelter quite well, it's not the wind's not affecting me, and I deliberately took my idea of putting it under the trees. So or under near the tree, under the canopy, sorry, not the trees. Oh, that's got polypore on it. Oh, yeah, nice bit of polypore. I'm going to put that in. So, I mean, guys, I tried years ago, when I first started doing YouTube, I tried doing a well fire and I gave up. But this was the early days. I didn't really know what I was doing with fire then, to be honest, in the woods. I just gave up. It was raining. Man, it was a really bad day regarding weather, I have to admit. So, still going to get a bit more in that wall, if I can help it. That's a bit damp, to be fair, having saying that. It'll soon warm up, so we'll go a little bit there. I don't want to go too high with the wall because, well, I don't know really. I haven't made my mind up. Well, that's the baseline level, and then I can go and get stuff. As I say, I'm spoilt for choice on wood because of the winds, so we'll get this started. I've got some char cloth there as well. I'll put a little bit of that in. I've got pocket bellows. I'll keep that going, but there we go. Fire on the way. Excellent.